In this video, we're going to try a Harbor Freight hack featuring this light. So sit back and I'll show you what we're up to. Alright, so as many of you may have guessed, I am a Harbor Freight enthusiast. I get a lot of tools from there. I think they make some pretty good stuff. They make some stuff that isn't so good, but for the most part, I've gotten some pretty good stuff there. One thing I really like is a good LED flashlight, okay? So I started off, I got their Braun flashlight years ago, and I actually really like it, okay? It's really nice and bright. Got two power settings there. It also has the light on the end there. Works awesome, okay? Magnetic base too. Pretty strong magnetic base at that. Can fold the light that way. Can fold the light that way. But storage isn't really the easiest on this thing because it is still kind of big and clunky. Whoops, I hit the button there. It is still kind of big and clunky. So I decided to upgrade to the Icon version, which is nice. You can see you can fold it down, so it's a lot more compact. And just sitting there, you know, it's pretty much the same size. Has the same, I think it actually has a stronger magnetic base, which is awesome. And it has a big light on this side, smaller light on that side, and a light on the end. And I believe each one of the lights, let me just double check one. Yep, it has a low and a high setting, same with the back there. And then, come on, there's the tipper, right? So here's the problem with this light though. Come on, if I can turn everything off. There we go. Okay, here's the problem with the light, okay? It only folds one way, okay? And the bright light is on this side, all right? So if I'm working on something, I've got it set up, oh, I don't know, like on my snowmobile or on a tractor, something like that, I've got it set here. I have to use the smaller light, not the bigger light. So that's a problem. I don't like that. And a lot of people don't like that. And I have seen what other people have done as flipped this top light on here around so that it faces the other direction. So you can have the bright light folded down, 90 degrees that way, rather than just on this backside so it's shining up, or you have to try to finagle the magnet one way or the other. So we're gonna go ahead and attempt that to see if we can't do that hack ourselves. So let me go ahead and get set up and I'll bring you back. All right, so like I was saying, you should be able to flip this around the other way, and I have seen other videos where people have done it, so we're going to go ahead and try this on our version of it. So I did purchase this, let's see, this is January 2026. I purchased this in, I think, November of 2025, when they came out with these different color options, because I'm a sucker for green like this, so this is perfect. As you can see, I've got, got a green stuff there, green tractors, all that sort of thing. So I'm a sucker for green, so I had to get it. I even have the green creeper. Oop, get you back where you need to be. Okay, so there are some little screws in here that we have to take out. So I'm going to start by, excuse me, I don't remember exactly how to do this. I've watched a couple of videos on it, and I've seen a couple different versions. So we're just going to try it ourselves. So I'm going to start with taking off this one up here, because I know for sure that needs to come off in order to flip that. And then we'll see what else we need to take apart in order to get this thing apart and flipped around. All right. Yep. Gonna have to go more than that. Okay, so here, I'm actually gonna put our little guy in our magnetic thing here so that it stays where it needs to be. Okay. Go ahead and take this guy out. Oop. Come on. Oh. She's coming. There's more there. I was just pushing it down. So that's the pivot point, obviously, right there. So yeah, that's out. There is a pin, it looks like, that needs to come out. Let me find a pick or something to poke through there. One second. Okay, I've got the back of a really long drill bit. So I'm going to poke that out. Out comes the other end of the pivot. So put that in there. Yep, she still doesn't come apart yet. So it looks like I got to take off this screw here. Might have to take these out here too to slide them out, but we'll just go one at a time so you can see along with me. Yeah, I don't know why they would design it the way that they did, because this is a really awesome flashlight otherwise. Good battery life. The other difference between this one and the Braun is this one is USB-C charging, where the other one is micro USB. So, you know, micro USB is becoming somewhat obsolete now. USB-C is everywhere, so these charge up, you know, pretty fast. Okay, let's see. Still not, yep, looks like I gotta take these off too. So it looks like that should slide up in a way. So we'll get you out. We'll get that one out. Oh, there's another screw on that side up there too. Ha! So I wonder, well, here, before I get too carried away here, I wonder if I just take this one out, if that'll actually just slide out up there. We shall see. Okay. Nope. It does need to come apart. Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, yeah, look at that. Just going to pry it apart a little bit. Can I just flip that? Oh, man, it looks like I can just flip that. Careful, there are a whole bunch of wires in here, so don't tug too hard. But, is it really that easy? I think it is, folks. I think it is that easy. Here, I'm going to go ahead and, yeah. Wow. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put all these other screws back in here. And then we'll see. I'll bring you right back. 1 second. All right, guys, it really was that easy. It's going to take me longer to edit this video than to actually show you how to do it there. So everything pivots as it should. Hit the power button. Boop. The tipper light comes on. That light comes on. 2 powers. That light comes on. 2 powers. And now, look at that. I've got the strong side of the light on the magnet. Or, you know, on the magnet side, so it can angle down, because that's normally what I do when I'm working, especially like on my sled or something like that. Let me turn everything off, and she folds up just like it did before. Look at that. All right, there you go. Simple hack for that icon light. Hopefully that helps somebody. All right, guys, just a quick little hack video there for our icon light here. So yeah, like I said, it's going to take me more time to edit this video than it is to upload it and for you to watch it. But hey, that's okay. I like the results. Now I can actually use this light how I wanted it to be used, and hopefully it'll help somebody else out. So like always, please like and subscribe, and until the next one, signing off.